Coming to the next line, my mother seemed to notice that I was not entirely convinced. So here the narrator, she is saying that my mother, she just noticed that because of her statement I was not convinced at all, right? She looked at me reprovingly, and after that we spoke no more about it. So she was, at that time, after that day, she you know was looking in a very critically manner. ठीक है, reprovingly means critically. And after that we didn't have any words, means after that we didn't spoke related to this thing. Meanwhile, I had arrived at the station without having paid much attention to the things on the way. So, what happened? She just reached the station and she was not noticing any details on the way. Means she was passing, but she was not noticing anything which is on her way. I was walking in a familiar place again for the first time since the war. Here, she is saying that after the war I was walking in the familiar place, means she knew that place a lot, and this was the time after the war, again for the first time since the war, but I did not want to go further than was necessary. So here narrator, she said that I don't want to go further because I just came here to meet Mrs. Darling to take my precious things back. I don't want to go any further because my memories are attached to each and every corner. So that is why she was feeling very sad. She was very upset. So she said that I don't want to upset myself with the sight of street and houses full of memories from a precious time. So she said that I don't want to upset myself with the familiar sight of houses and the street that actually remind all the important and precious time. In the train back, I saw Mrs. Darling in front of me again as I had the first time met her. So she said that back in the time she saw Mrs. Darling in a person a day after her mother told her daughter about her. It was the morning after the day my mother had told me about her. So the time period was the morning time, and her mother told her about Mrs. Darling. I had got up late, and coming downstairs, I saw my mother about to see someone out. So she, at that time she woke up late that morning and she was going downstairs. So she saw her uh, the lady, she saw that lady with broad neck, means with the broad neck she saw, and she got to know that she is Mrs. Darling. I had got up late, and coming downstairs, I saw my mother about to see someone out, a woman with broad neck. So she was having broad neck, who was her aunt, means Darling. There's my daughter, said my mother. So her mother, when she, narrator as well as when Darling saw each other, then her mother introduced her daughter to Mrs. Darling that she is my daughter. She beckoned to me, right? So she beckoned to me. She beckoned to me means she introduced me. The women nodded and picked up the suitcase under the coat rack. So when narrator's mother, Mrs. S, when she introduced the narrator from Mrs. Darling. So at that time, she just didn't respond well, and she nodded and she picked up the suitcase full of things under the coat rack. She wore a brown coat and a shapeless hat. So here the narrator, she is giving the description that women wore a brown coat as well as she was also wearing a shapeless hat, a hat which is not having any shape. So just mark up till here, students. Shapeless hat.